I'm a visual learner, so if you're a visual learner too, then this video should be a help. Here is how I got started creating my chipboard 2D, I guess, pumpkins. Go to the Cricut site and click on Design and New Project. And I need a pumpkin. So I'm going to click on Images and do a search for pumpkin. And there is the, I clicked on this one to make, but it looks like these are identical except that these have colored sections, and which I changed anyway on the one that I had already made. But I am going to click on this one and insert that image. And as you can see, it says subscribe. That's because I belong to their subscription service, which I highly recommend because you get so many for free for the, what is it, $10 a month or something like that. And then you get 50% off of the other ones that are you know, cost more. So I think it's a good deal. So I recommend it. Anyway, let me get back on track. I'm going to now click Insert Images. All right. And then what I did is, since I am cutting on clipboard, chipboard, I can make this no wider than 11 inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the size to 11 up here. And as you can see, it's already locked. So I'm just going to hit enter. And that's going to resize it to the correct size. Now, as you can see over here, there's two different colors. So that means that it's going to cut out on two different sheets. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if you click on Make It, see they've got two mats. I don't want two mats. I want it all to cut out on one mat because the stem's a different color. So I'll click Cancel and then go up here and change that color to the same color as the pumpkin. Now look what happens. If I click on Make It, it is still, it's going to be on one sheet, but they have this moved down here. I would prefer it just cut as it is. And because of the way that I did my project, that's kind of important. So I'm going to cancel that. Yes. And go back. And I want that to stay here. So what I do is I select it all and then I click Attach. So now when I click Make It, it's all there on one mat. It'll all cut together, and that's important for this project. So then I click Continue, choose my maker device, and then I need to set the material that I'm using, which is the chipboard. So the easiest way for me is, I can see the light chipboard here or the heavy chipboard. I have heavy. So I could click it here, or I could do a search up and search for heavy chipboard. I'll just click on this, click Done. Now it's going to remind me to move the star wheels all the way to the right, which I've done. Make sure the material is no wider than 11 inches and is secured to a stronger mat using masking tape on all four sides, which I did. I leave everything else alone. And then I can get going. I can insert my mat and then watch it go. So there you go. That's all there is to cutting heavy chipboard in the Cricut. I hope this little video was helpful.